Hey, welcome to RestoCycle. We got a little MiniTech for you related to the Honda CBX. So we're working on this bike that we're about to restore, and we're doing one of them with the frame in our hands. And we were getting a lot of water out of this gusseted area here on the frame. I was pressure washing it. I was like, okay, that's kind of a big mess. Why is there so much water coming out? And I engaged my brain. I'm like, self, if that's open at the top, it needs to be open at the bottom for somewhere for water to go, because there's water in the world. So anyway, we got to looking around, and we discovered that yes, indeed, Honda put little weep holes in the bottom of these things, and those need to be clear. And if they're not clear, it's pretty obvious what'll happen. Water is free to get in the top, and it'll rust this thing, and it'll turn to crap. So anyway, watch what happens when Joe blasts some air in there, and we'll watch over here, and you'll see what's going to happen when we do this. So let her rip, Joe. Yeah, yummy. You want to powder coat it like that, huh? No, you do not. So this is the thing. You want to make sure those weep holes are clear, and you want to make sure you clear them out so that you get all that spooge out of there, and you get a good powder coat job, and also so that it doesn't rust. So anyway, little CBX MiniTech for you, those of you that do these things frame off.